Meaning of grog.
grog,
Grog.
grog,
Grog. Grog is a term with multiple meanings. Historically, it was used to refer to a diluted form of alcoholic beverage that was commonly consumed by sailors. In modern usage, grog can also mean a type of coarse fabric or a slang term for a sailor. Additionally, grog has been used to describe a mixture of water and rum ration, which was historically given to British sailors in the 18th and 19th centuries. Overall, grog has a rich and varied history and has taken on different meanings depending on the time period and location in which it is used.